Good day, everyone. My name is Adekola Olagunju, and this is my presentation for the Digital Transformation Strategy Module, CMP 701. And I've chosen Netflix as my case study. Over the next few minutes, I will walk you through how Netflix has transitioned from an analog DVD service into a global digital powerhouse, and how this transformation aligns with established business and technology frameworks. Introduction of how Netflix has carried out its digital transformation. Netflix was founded in 1997 as a DVD by mail company, but in 2017 it pivoted into streaming, a decision that would completely disrupt the entertainment industry. Today, Netflix is powered by AI, cloud infrastructure, and massive data system that deliver personalized content to millions globally. Their transformation has been deep, from back-end infrastructure to user interface, as we all see. This makes Netflix a perfect example of full spectrum digital transformation. A key milestone is in 2019, Netflix becomes a global streaming giant with over 150 million subscribers worldwide. Next slide. Projected outline for final report. This is the structure I will use for my final report. I'll start with the company background and industry analysis, followed by a deep dive into Netflix digital transformation initiatives. I will include a literature review, an analysis of strategic challenges, and a proposal for future opportunities. The report will conclude with an implementation plan and recommendations grounded in both theory and data. Then literature review, that's the theoretical foundations. My literature review is shaped by several key theories. One is the disruptive innovation. This explains how Netflix overtook Blockbuster in the market. Then the resource-based view helps us understand how Netflix algorithm, data, and original content give it a competitive edge. Dynamic capabilities theory shows how Netflix continually adapts, such as moving into gaming. I also use framework like Rogers' five domains, Porter's value chain, and digital maturity models to evaluate Netflix strategy in a structured way. Case studies like Spotify, YouTube, and Disney Plus help benchmark Netflix position in the market. Relevant data sets. Netflix transformation is driven by data. Internally, they track viewers' behavior, like watch time, skip rates, and completion of movies percentage. They also run extensive A/B testing to improve everything from that's their UI to improve their UI, everything from thumbnails to homepage layout. Externally, I'll also use public data from sources like Statista and Netflix Tech Blog to simulate insights. For example, I've created a visual comparing revenue growth to major Netflix digital transformation milestones, which gives context to their strategic decisions. Then plan prototypes and conceptual artifacts. I plan to simulate a simplified version of Netflix core tools. This includes a plan time series analysis of viewer engagement, a basic recommendation system, and a mock A/B testing using thumbnail variations. I've also drafted conceptual artifacts like a user to algorithm data flow, a platform ecosystem map, and a blockbuster versus Netflix disruption timeline. These help demonstrate how data flows through Netflix business model and how it underpins their competitive advantage. Other relevant artifacts. This slide shows a SWOT analysis of Netflix. Its strengths, including strong AI and global content production, and weakness are rising content costs and a heavy dependence on subscription. I also outlined Netflix digital roadmap, from streaming and cloud adoption in the past to current strategies like interactive storytelling and future moves like AI powered localization and live content. These artifacts reinforce my understanding of how Netflix stays ahead. In conclusion, summary and next steps. In summary, Netflix is a digital transformation leader that continually evolve through data, AI, and strategic innovation. My final report will build on this by applying business models, data sets, and simulation tools to critically evaluate their digital trajectory and propose actionable strategies for continued growth. My references are all sorts of academic and industry relevant sources, including Netflix engineering blog, business journals, and transformation theory from scholars like Thies, Rogers, and Christine. Christensen. They support both theoretical and practical slides for this project. Thank you.